Hello, my name is Trent Daniels, and I am a freshman in Mr. R's third period integrated science class. My scientist is Sir Humphrey Davies. He lived 1778 through 1829. He was a chemistry professor at the Royal Institution of London, and a fact about him was that when he would prepare for to do a presentation or speech, he would inhale laughing gases, and that actually was part of the cause of his death. And the scientist that contributed from his discoveries was Michael Faraday, and his contribution to science was he was a very successful chemist, and he discovered sodium, potassium, and calcium.
My scientist was Sir Humphrey Davy, and he lived from 1778 to 1829. He was a chemist and an inventor who lived in Penzance, Cornwall, in England. He contributed to science. His contribution to science was that he discovered several alkaline earth metals like potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, barium, and strontium. He also contributed to the discoveries of the elemental natures of chlorine and iodine. Before science, he was a poet and a painter, and before he went to several I guess you could say meetings, and from those meetings he started becoming interested in what's called galvanic corrosion, where a process where one metal corrodes on another, and Michael Faraday later on became Davy's valet and assistant. And Davy also invented the Davy lamp for coal miners to use while mining. And also he was a pioneer in electrolysis. Anyway, continuing on. Many places were named in favor of Davy, like a school and a pub in Penzance, a lunar crater, and was included in Richard Gendel's humorous song in 1980. He published 7 books, with 3 of them focusing on chemistry. The other scientists that used Davy's work were Gregory and James Watt, Samuel Coleridge, and Robert Southey. They used Davy's work by just being addicted to laughing gas. And another scientist was Faraday, who tried to continue Davy's work, but Davy accused him of plagiarizing his work. And today, his chemistry helped many industries, like agriculture, mining, and tanning. That's it.
Yay!
Go, Del!